potatoes, fresh from Idaho soil.
Here remove unquality potatoes and gathering quality potatoes. Now loading trucks. The trucks are coming to the factory. Here, unloading the trucks in the factory. Now potatoes are entering into the cleaning stage. Now potatoes washing with flash waters, and this water's speed has too fast. Now potato washing with hot waters. Now potato for drink. Now again potato, and this is the final stage of cleaning potatoes. Now potato are cutting and basically remove the skin. Here you can see again potato are washing. Now potato is going to for a cutting. Potato is cutting with hot waters and very speedy waters.
Areas of blanching, including interesting areas and well enough to leave fries ready for blanching. Cleaned, peeled,
Here you can see
cut,
the fries.
and inspected, ready for blanching. Blanching removes excess sugars, locks in perfect fluffy texture.
Now you can see the fries. Now potato entering in oils, and here is frying. Here you can see the beautiful texture of a fries. Again. Final surface preparation. Here entering into the freezing. Now you can see the texture of a frozen fries.
It's more about time than making.
Now here you can see fries are ready for packaging. Now the machine are ready to packaging fries. Here you can see the beautiful packaging. Now here is packing. You can see the wrap-up of fries. Now the fries is ready to store into cold rooms. Here you can see the cold storage. Just see. So now fries are ready to load into that place.